Well, let's jump straight into a progression today, checking out Einaudi's piece called Fly. This has very beautiful riffs and little mini arpeggios and also explores a really interesting progression. So let's dive in. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. I do regular tutorials each Thursday, but currently you can also check out Monday's tutorials on improv and arpeggios. Let's start by checking out the progression that he creates, beginning on a C sharp minor. So in the right hand, we're going to wiggle back and forwards between C sharp and E, rocking there. Add in the left hand, C sharp, G sharp. So we're going to do 4 beats of TTs, then add the left hand. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we jump up to this progression that covers the chord C sharp minor, then to A, then to B sus4. So we've got a B chord, but we're just going to play those notes there, then to the A chord. Sometimes we're going to end on an F sharp bass representing the F sharp minor, or sometimes we'll just end with an A, E, A for an A tonality there. So let's just pulse the chords together from the C sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to the A pattern. Then up to the B sus4. 2, 3, 4. Then to the A. Let's do it all again. 1, 2, 3, 4 A. 2, 3, 4 B. 2, 3, 4, and then F sharp on the bass to be an F sharp minor. Those notes there just outline the chords, but following our little intro, Einaudi starts this rhythm of 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So let's have a go with the C sharps here in the left hand. We'll just do the low C sharp and high C sharp together with G sharp, and we go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Let's do that again. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Now let's do the A pattern starting with the right hand. So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Stop there. We'll now go to our B pattern with our E as our sus4. Right hand begins. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Then we'll go back to our A. So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. But in true Einaudi style, he actually jumps in a beat ahead. So what we'll do is we'll play to our 4. Our next ender is going to go to the new pattern of notes. So I'll show you and play along with me. Ready and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. So after our 4, we go to the new pattern. Let's do that again. So G sharp, C sharp, here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. New pattern. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. So our B then steps back to our A pattern again in exactly the same way from the end to 1, leading with the new notes there. Let's put that whole little phrase together. Here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, all again. The next line is exactly the same, but what we do is we step then to our F sharp bass for the fourth chord. So let's go through our main second line. So we have intro, line 1, now line 2. Here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, change. And a 2 and a 3 and a 4, change. F sharp. And those are our first two lines together. So let's put them all in. Actually, let's go right back to the very start and have a little play through there. On we go. We could do all of that same material again, but then we go on to a new feature, which once again is so familiar in Einaudi's music that we've just set up a beat in T, ticka, 1 and a 2 and then he decides to change the whole beat into triplet, triplet. So we have our same notes again in our right hand of our C sharp and E from the very beginning, and we go 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4 and a with a bass note under the bottom. Change B's. Change to the A sharp, A's. And then he plays with that by having some little extra melodies as well. So let's go back to our C sharps to the triplet section. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a B. Melody. Upwards melody. Same thing again. Same bass line, but we have the upper thirds there in the right hand. And then he goes on to extend out our intervals and to grow them really high in the left hand. It's just such a lovely start to this composition of Fly. So I'll link to some other improvisations that you can check out. Happy music making. Ta-da.